Ginger, Garnet, Gidget, and Asia all playing. Oh, body slam, WWF style. Go play. Oh. No fighting, kids. Garnet, do you like Asia? It's hard to tell them apart, but the left is Gidge, the back is Ginger, and front is Garnet. Oh, poor Garnet. There is, oh, down for the full count.
Here's Asia.
Who's got that big stick? Oh. What are you devil children doing?
I'm stepping on here.
Oh, Garnet and Ginger. Yeah, you go hide, Gidge.
Go watch him go hide. One whoop from the girl.
Yeah. Oh.
Snowmobile or motorbike.
Oh! That's just getting a little rowdy there, children. Oh, somebody's got their head stuck. Gidge, are you on the bottom?